It's Saturday morning. It's Saturday morning. Let's make some breakfast. Let's make some quick, easy, inexpensive breakfast. Let's get started. All right, welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. I'm Dave Garrett, This Vet Cooks. Thank you for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Today, what are we doing? Well, as I mentioned at the top there at the intro, we're going to make some breakfast. And it's going to be quick. It's going to be easy. It's going to be inexpensive. And it's going to involve just two ingredients. Well, two things, actually, not two ingredients. First is the Campbell's Country Style Sausage Gravy. You know what that means? That's right. Biscuits and gravy. And what are we doing? We're using the Clover Valley Biscuits buttermilk. Yep, small pack. It's got like, what, maybe 4 or 5 in here. And just bake these up. Once they're baked, about 10, 13 minutes at 400 degree. And then we'll, while that's doing, we're warming this up. And just pour this over the top of this, and we'll have some breakfast. So let's make it happen. You can even add a fried egg if you want. That's up to you. But again, great, quick little meal. So with that being said, let's put things together. Let's go ahead and fire this oven up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, let's go. All right, so we got the gravy open. Just go ahead and pour it in here. There we go. Clean it out. Get that all in there. Again, it's a quick, easy breakfast. We were, Mrs. This Vet Cooks and I were strolling through our local Dollar General market and trying to come up with a very nice, quick, easy idea for breakfast. And there it was, the can of sausage gravy from Campbell's Soup. So we'll get that in there. So we'll get that in the pot, low heat, stirring. Be careful, don't scald it, don't burn it. If it starts to bubbly, you know you've got it too much. But all the directions say is heat, stirring occasionally. That's it. There we go. Where are we? There it is. Heat, stirring occasionally. So that's it. Alrighty, this will be a nice hearty little breakfast now that fall is in the air and things are starting to change. So we'll make that happen. All right, let's get this on the stove and then let's prep our biscuits. Alrighty, so there it is, our Clover Valley biscuits. We'll give them a try, buttermilk biscuits. But then again, how can you mess up biscuits when they're going to be smothered in a Campbell's Soup sausage gravy? So here we got a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and we're going to pop this. Altogether, this meal is under $3. And if you can get 2 servings out of it, $1.50 a serving for breakfast. I mean, you really can't go any place to get. Whoa, yeah, that popped. That's what that was. I love that sound. You know you're getting things done when that happens. As I was getting... you really can't go any place anymore and get good quality breakfast for $1.50 a serving. I mean, you're going to find it says that they need to touch. So don't get me, I don't understand, but it does say they need to touch. That's a thick one. Is that a thick one or is that 2 separate ones? Oh, it's 2 separate ones. Maybe this is a separate one. Oh no, there's more than... It looks like there's 9 biscuits in this container. There it is, all empty. No, there's 10. So we're just waiting for the the stove to tell us that it's reached the 400-degree temperature. Preheat oven to 400 degrees. Place biscuits with sides touching in ungreased round baking pan. There we go. Bake 10 to 13 minutes or until golden brown. So there it is. Let's get these to touch. It's not a round, it's rectangular, but hey, that's just the way it goes sometimes. Let's go ahead and get this in the oven, and I'll see you in about 13 minutes. All right, while that's in the oven baking, I want to take this time to thank you, as always, for joining me, stopping by, saying hi, making your comments, sharing, liking, subscribing, all of the above. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciate you doing that. It is awesome. This is a lot of fun. And again, thank you. Also, hey, don't forget, let me know in the comments if you've made any of these recipes or if you've made a variant of these recipes. It's all good, but I want to hear some variations out there. See if anybody's done anything else different with any of these recipes. Alrighty. So with that, as always, don't forget Veterans Crisis Line. It's over here, Dave. It's over here. Veterans Crisis Line. Visit the website. See what services are there. See what they offer. Make the call, 988, dial 1 when the automated attendant answers. Or you can also chat with them. You can text with them and, of course, chat with them on the text and then chat with them on the website, veteranscrisisline.net. So, again, don't hesitate to reach out. Make the call. Make the call. Alrighty. Well, it's fall and seasons are changing. Things are changing. It's like I said before, we're in a slip slide. We're in a slip and slide. You know, that thing with the water and the thing. And it's going downhill. We're fast approaching the holidays. So what's going on? We've got some pretty good, cool stuff planned for the holidays. So we'll be doing that. We'll be starting those up here in just a bit. And probably not the next episode, but the one after. And then we'll be doing that. Let's see. So again, don't let us know some of your favorite holiday bakings and makings. And love to put it here on the show or get an idea. And we're going to try some new stuff this year. We're going to go a little bit more festive, more party mode. What you can bring to the party, to the Christmas party. Yeah, we're going to be focusing on some of those things. So be on the lookout for that. And maybe a beverage or two. It's been a while since I've done a beverage. It's been a long while since I've done a beverage. So be on the lookout for that too. In the meantime, I want to thank you for watching. So let's go ahead and let's get these things here. Things should be beeping here in just a little bit. I do hear the gravy, the biscuit, the gravy sausage. I need to stir it. Got to keep it stirred. Don't let it burn. All right, let me get back to that and we'll talk to you in just a bit. There they are out of the oven. And again, very quick, very simple. A couple of minutes, it's like 13 and a half minutes actually. So you see some got a little darker than the others. Again, it's just all about placement. So don't worry about that. As long as they're done, they look great. They feel great. All right, let's go ahead and get 2 on the plate. Or 3. I think 2. 2 will do. Put on our safety glove. There we go. And then we'll get this little one right here. All righty. All right, so now at this point, it's up to you if you want to... If you want to split it open, right, and then lay it out like that, it's up to you. It might make things a little easier, but again, it's user preference. It's user preference. This is just one way. Oh, look at that. Got to be careful. I ended up pulling instead of cutting. There we go. See? Look at that. All right, sorry, I pushed down. Sorry about that. I pushed down. That's what caused this to bunch up, but look at that. Nice cut into that. All right, so there we go. Let's rearrange these a little bit better so we get a little bit more coverage here. All righty, so there we go. Let's get our gravy on. That's right. And there's our sausage gravy. And again, the can, it's like 8 ounces. It said multiple servings, but that's it. If that's all you get, you get a little bit more. You can probably get 2 servings, 2 decent servings. Again, it's the weekend. It's the weekend. It's fall. It's. I'm sorry, here in Texas, it's fall, y'all, and and so a little extra won't hurt, provided you get out, enjoy nature today. That's my plan, is to get outside and take care of some things out back in the back 40 back there. So we'll get that taken care of. All right, now that's it. Typically we would be done, but we're going to kick it up a notch using our microwave egg cooker. We used the poacher option, and now we've got some poached eggs on top. Look at that. Now it's really a hearty fall meal. Good to go, ready to eat. I'm ready to eat. So there it is. Again, biscuits, gravy, and a couple of eggs. So let's see. Yep, about $3 total, everything we spent here to get breakfast this Saturday morning. And if you have 2 servings, well, about $1.50. And again, that's a hearty breakfast. Then throw in a cup of coffee. You're good to go. You are ready to rock and or roll, or both. Rock and roll. So either way, I think it's missing some Tabasco, but that's it. Oh, here, at the base of the poacher, I sprinkled in some Slap Ya Mama, and oh, that's outstanding. So that's pretty much that. So there it is, hearty, quick, easy. Yep, it took us about 20 minutes altogether, and I'm losing my voice. And that's the downside of fall. The weather changes and things happening. So let's do the tasty taste, and let's wrap this show up. Look at that! Look at that! There it is! There it is! Biscuits, sausage gravy, and of course the poached egg, or the microwave poached egg. Anyway, listen, let's give it a tasty taste. Biscuit, biscuit, very nice. Yeah, it's fluffy. I mean, it's not that layered one you can peel off the layers. That's my favorite one. No, but for biscuit, it's not dense. It's airy. It's light tasting. You can taste the butter, or the imitation butter, or whatever they're using. And sausage gravy, very flavorful. You can taste that. They got that little extra bite of sage, or whatever little spice, black pepper that they use. It's delicious. And then, of course, the egg with the Slap Ya Mama on top of that. And again, it's not overpowering, but it's a great combo. It's a great filler. It's delicious. It's a fall. And it's a fall breakfast. So that's what I'm having for breakfast today. That's what's for breakfast. Everyone, I'm Dave Guerra, and This Vet Cooks.